Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve time tracking with Harvest, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Harvest app or website. Log in using your credentials. Once you're on the dashboard, locate the Time tab at the top menu. Click on the Time tab to access your time tracking features. To create a new time entry, click on the New Time button. In the Time Entry window, select the project you're working on from the drop-down menu. If the project isn't listed, you may need to create a new project first. Enter the task you are working on in the designated field. Specify the date for which you are tracking your time. Input the duration of time spent on the task in the hours and minutes fields. Optionally, add notes to provide context for your work. Once you've completed all fields, click the Save button to finalize your entry. To review your time entries, return to the Time tab. You can switch between daily, weekly, and monthly views for better tracking. If you need to edit an entry, find the specific entry and click the Edit button. Make your adjustments and save the changes. Consider using the mobile app for on-the-go time tracking. Enable reminders and settings to receive notifications for time tracking. Explore integration options with other tools you use for seamless workflow. Regularly review your time reports to identify trends and areas for improvement. Utilize the invoicing feature to turn your tracked time into billable hours. Set up time tracking for team members if you're managing a group project. Encourage your team to log their hours consistently for better analysis. Make use of tags to categorize your tasks for easier reporting. Remember to export your time sheets at the end of the billing period. Utilize insights from reports to improve your time management strategies. Stay proactive with adjustments based on your tracked data for future efficiency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.